等一会儿装，等一会儿装。
一会儿你们拿你们自己包粽子可以可以。
我没拿走。
哎，一会儿我都发给你们，你们帮你拿你们自己的
都
照可以
有都有，每个人都有。
不要着急，现在。
来，你学习一下缠，怎么缠？
没有。
嘴巴。
我还有仔，我够不着仔。
等一会儿把那个看完，咱不着急，十几个孩子对了。
And how you lose your cool, and how you look at me too, saying, I'm fighting, I can't stop it. This little the way you bump your fist, and how you wash your hair from my infection. Tryna be down, fight it, don't stop it, stick around. And you the type of girl I take over the mama, the type of girl I know your daddy be proud of, be proud of, be proud of, be proud of. Type of girl I wanna turn into a mama. Type of girl that I'm already proud of. Be proud of, be proud of, be proud of. Wish you was a girl. I wish you was a girl.
Okay, so I didn't do an intro to this video, and I should have done it. But baby, we are out here at the Great Wall. When I say we, me and my best friend. Over it. Absolutely over it.
No, over it. I'm ready to go home.
Aww. I feel like it was a 6-hour drive. But wait. But wait, that good.
Absolutely not. Ready to go. Ready for the bus. So we're gonna sit here till 3:30. And what time is it now? It is 2:11. So yeah. Check in when we get to the beach because we about to put up some 10. Okay, made it to the beach. It's actually quite nice. It's okay. It's giving sunset. It's giving beach. So yeah, but I'm pretty glad when I go home. Candlelight dinner.
Wait, let's wait for your food. Candlelit dinner.
What we got here?
The fried rice is bussin' though. It's bussin' though.
Say hi, Serena.
It hit differently. It got a bit of sand in it, by.
Who was this sponsored by? Sponsored by who?
You. Oh no, HelloFresh. Shout out to HelloFresh for today's sponsor. When I tell you guys that this right here, I put my friend on, I put my family on. It's got wait. Let me go eat. Now you see the goodness. HelloFresh does it all the time. All the time. my code, Lydia20.
Okay, so we about to play Uno. We have a hater in the
Say the
house.
rules and don't change them. Ha.
Here we go. I will never, ever sleep in another tent. And I mean that. Look at this.
Yela. Ooh, Mara. It's like they threw us away. But let's see. Direct translation. Wana papa.
Ready for 12 o'clock? But good night. Good night. Good night.
Rise and shine. The girls have made it. They have.
Martha, can you turn that up?
All we gonna say is never again. Never. This was quite an experience, but would I do it again? No. My black ass is staying home. If it's not a hotel, I'm not coming. And just
No, seriously. I mean, the water's nice.
yeah. I gave it a
Here.
3. She gave it a 2.
It's a 2.
But you didn't even count that you're here with me, so
No.
I'm kind of offended.
No, girl.
No, this was the ghetto, the trenches, the paka. Because, first of all, last night,
I did.
she was trying to zip up the tent.
Oh, I didn't do that part.
And she broke it. She broke the zipper. Plastic side eye. So now, we're asking the lady, Miss Ma'am.
Actually, you broke the
don't have
zipper.
No, you did. Why was it stuck?
It was
you.
No.
Yeah. And the zipper came off. And now we're calling the tour lady. Which, first of all, so when we got here, the first thing that the lady said was like, "Oh, if anyone comes to you and asks you who you're here with, just say you're here alone. Don't say you're
did.
with an organization." So that's the lady said, if anybody asks you who you're here with, just say you're here alone, not with an organization. I said, it's given very much a scam. It's given very much we shouldn't be here. The second annoying thing, they come over, they tell us to move our tent. We move the tent, okay, whatever. The third thing that happens, no, you're the reason why the zipper got stuck. And then I was trying to help you like the good friend that I am. But she set me out because she kept saying, pull it, girl, I will hold the side.
So guys, I finally made it home. I had to, my eyes are red because I still wash my hair like I'm a child and get soap in my eyes. But that's neither here nor there. But I am home. I feel good to be home in my house when I pay the bills. No, but honestly, guys, this was a trip for the books and not the good ones. This was a trip that I will never want to relive. It was just not it. Outside, nature, sand, beaches, it's just not it. So, with that being said, your girl is officially saying that she will never go camping again. I will never do it. Never, ever, ever, ever do it again. The end. Tried it. Don't like it. Don't recommend. If you're not a person that's one with nature, I don't recommend it. But I came up here to say this is the end of this vlog. I hope y'all guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next vlog.